Hello everyone, welcome to this takeaway section of the series on AI Agents Beyond Jupyter Notebooks. This series was full of knowledgeable stuff. We developed a prototype of end-to-end AI agent that can be connected to Telegram. But I'm sure after watching these videos, you are now able to understand the concepts of AI agents and then implement the same concepts to other communication channels like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, or even website as well, where you will be interacting with streaming. However, this may sound very hard to you, but it's not a very big deal since now you understand all the concepts for Telegram communication channel. The same concept can be applied to any communication channel. Before I wrap up this video and the series, let me show you that we have first created the AI agent, then added a guardrail into the agent to make sure that we don't answer to all the questions that user asks. Then we have added tools into the AI agent. We have registered hooks so that we can monitor the token usage. Then we have added context to the application so that when a new request comes, we add the correct context into the AI agent so that AI agent can generate personalized responses. Then in order to add memory to the AI agent, we have added session. And finally, we understood very hard human in the loop concept. The code I have used and shown and ran into this series is available on my GitHub, and the link of it is in the description of the video. When you download or use any part of the code, consider giving it a star. That helps. So I guess this is it from my side for this series and this video. I hope you have gained some knowledge out of this video and you are now able to build AI agents on your own. In case you face issues running the samples or understanding any concepts, let me know in the comment section. I'm more than glad to help you out. Finally, if you like the work I put on my YouTube channel, consider subscribing to my channel. That helps. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the life, feel the music. Peace.